Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use text to video in Invideo AI. So this is actually very simple. First things first, you'll need to log into Invideo. So the website here is invideo.io, and this is what we are going to be doing for today. First things first, I've already logged into Invideo and this is how it looks. This is the platform itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and just basically give a topic here. So I'm just going to go ahead and write here, for example, list down the popular New Year's resolutions of Europeans. So just something like that. I think that's very easy. So if you're going to go ahead and click this one, there are other options available for you. So you have YouTube Shorts, Explainer, Recent Events Video, or Script to Video. But basically you can just skip that part. Now here you can go ahead and click generate a video, and it is going to start analyzing from the topics, and then it is going to generate a video of that. Basically, a video itself has a stock images, a voiceover, and basically everything that you are going to need. So let us try to see the end results of this particular video. Alright, the next thing is this one here. We have the audience. Oh, by the way, this is the title of the video. So it says Top New Year's Resolution of Europeans 2024 edition. Now again, we did not set this up. That is just given. Now we have audience here. You can choose between Europeans, resolution makers, or lifestyle enthusiasts. So basically choose which one. Say for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose lifestyle enthusiast. We have look and feel. How do you want it to look? Bright, inspiring, or professional? So let's try to choose inspiring. Now for the platform, I'm going to go ahead and choose YouTube, and I'm going to click continue. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for this one. It will take a couple of minutes, so be patient with this one. Alright, there you go. Seems like the video is done, so we can just go ahead and start playing this one here.
Hasn't made a New Year's resolution, sticking to it. Yet as the weeks roll by, these well-intentioned promises often fall by the wayside.
Alright, there he goes. I think it is done amazingly well. So as you can see, there is kind of like a logo here for stock images. You can see the video also has it as well. And yeah, sometimes it is in here, sometimes it is down below. So yeah, just like this one here. So this is where the images are from. So yep, in order to have them removed, you'll need to upgrade. You'll need to click this one here and basically sign up with all the other options here. We have Plus and the Max. So they both have different benefits. So just go ahead and choose which one you prefer. And yep, that is how you're going to do it. Now say for example, you want to edit it, you can do that by just clicking this one here. Or if you want to export, you can go ahead and click this one and export this video. So another thing is this one here. We have the command to edit the video itself. You have here delete the second scene, so you can definitely customize that. You also have here make this scene half as long. It is too wordy. Another one is change current stock to a video drone shot of a forest. So that's how you're going to do it. Again, you can go ahead and type it in here, and once you're done, just go ahead and click generate once again. And yep, that's how you're going to do it. But if you're not satisfied with this one, you can go ahead and click regenerate, and it is going to generate another one for you in the same topic. And yep, that is basically how you're going to use text to video in Invideo AI.